Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Ford Fiesta, stock number 6284. This run from 6/2013 to 12/2019. It has a WZ 1 litre turbo petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a WZ 1 litre turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, front bonnet 1 small dent, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door 1 scratch along bottom edge, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,